Welcome back to part 2 of heavy selling of this 11 Bursa stock, but which counter are worth grabbing? Of these 11 stocks, I have identified only 2 stocks worth grabbing and another one to keep under my watch list. These 2 stocks worth grabbing are Mestron Holdings and Globetronics, and the other one stock to be kept under my watch list will be Pro, where I shall cover in my part 3 video. Now let me delve into my full analysis on why I think Mestron Holdings and Globetronics are worth grabbing. Both counters trades at the Bursa main board, and no worries, the last I checked, both of these counters are not linked to the infamous Datuk Dr. Yu Kuan Chuan. If you are already part of my Investment Mindset members, you would have already gotten notification earlier where I shared yesterday that one of the stock worth grabbing onto is Mestron Holdings, and I also shared the reason why, including my discovery and my analysis on our membership platform. So now first, let me start with Mestron Holdings. Mestron Holding Berhad is an investment holding company, engages in manufacture and sale of steel poles in Malaysia, Korea, Australia, Singapore, and the Philippines, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Mestron Holdings belongs to the main board of KLCI, and as you could see from here, it is a profitable company since 2020 till now. In fact, its trailing 12 months revenue and net income has been increasing year over year. When I take a look at its most recent quarterly earnings numbers, its revenue has increased by 11.5% same quarter in 2022, and its net profit has also increased by 6.6% same quarter 2022. It spotted a healthy balance sheet, and Mestron's debt to equity ratio has reduced from 43.7% to 13.5% over the past 5 years, which is a good sign. And most importantly, Mestron is also driven by a group of seasoned and experienced management team. The reason for last week's crash on its stock price seems to be due to intraday short selling, means Mestron has become a victim of short selling. And now at the current price, Mestron is trading at around 30.5 cents. It is back to December 2021 valuation. But if we were to take a look at year 2021 revenue and net income, we could see that Mestron has since more than doubled on its revenue and 4x on its net income. Recently, the insiders, that is CEO and executive directors, have also stepped in to buy the stock both from the open market at around 30.3 cents and off-market transaction around 30 cents per share. So this will be a strong support level for Mestron stock. Though some analysts argue that Mestron PE of 25 times is higher than its average peers of 17 times. So if you are not comfortable holding on to stock with such a high PE versus its peers, you can opt not to take the trade. And beautiful people, if you like the content of this video thus far, I would appreciate if you could like this video, as making video is definitely not easy, and by you liking the videos, it would help to give me more motivations to continue creating similar content on my channel in near future. By joining under the Bursa Trade membership, this will allow you to get access to all my current open positions on Bursa stocks and my new buy and sell trades live only at Ringgit Malaysia $50 per month. If you are also investing into the US stock market and are keen to know which US stock I am trading, then you are most welcome to join the level 2 membership, that is US Stock Trades membership, where you will get to see not only my existing US stock open positions, but also my subsequent new buy and sell US stock trades. And on top of that, you will also get free access to all my Bursa trades as well, and you get to enjoy all these perks at only a mere Ringgit Malaysia 100 per month. Anytime if you think you no longer need this membership service, you can always cancel the membership service easily at the YouTube membership tab. Now let us analyze the second stock worth grabbing in my personal opinion, that is Globetronic, bearing stock ticker Gtronic 7022. Globetronic Technology Berhad is an investment holding company, engages in the manufacture, assembly, testing, and sale of integrated circuits, optoelectronics products, and chip carrier quartz crystal products. If we were to take a look at its income statement, we could see how Gtronic has been a profitable company in the past years till now, though both its revenue and net income has been declining compared to the past years. When we look at its balance sheet, it is good to see that Gtronic equity has been increasing year over year and its total liabilities on the other hand has been declining. If we could see from the debt to equity history chart over here, Gtronic has got zero debts. And finally, Gtronic has been enjoying positive free cash flow since 2020 till now, though it is on a decreasing basis. One of the reasons for its decreasing free cash flow is because the company has been increasing its spending on capex year over year since 2020 till now. It is also worth mentioning here that Gtronic is a dividend-paying company, though its dividend payment have also fallen over the past 10 years. So now that we know Gtronic has a healthy balance sheet, it is important for us to ask ourselves this one important question. How will be the outlook for semicon industry in this year 2024? As stock market is a forward-looking instrument, if the market thinks semicon industry is going to perform well in 2024, then most of the profitable semicon stock prices will tend to surge in its prices. We could see from many analysts sharing that the outlook for semicon market is to recover and making a strong rebound in year 2024. I also have a few friends who work in the semicon industry, and they have also told me that their company's order book for this year 2024 has been increasing lately. For this aspect, it is entirely up to you if you believe in what the analyst said. And now come the most important questions. Why do I think Gtronic stock price would rebound and worth grabbing? Firstly, I got to know that APB Resources, one of the recent sell-off stock victims, has recently proposed to buy 10.41% stake in Gtronic, which is equal to 70 million shares for RM 140 million, which will got to be about RM2 per share. This proposal is subject to APB Resources shareholder approval during its upcoming EGM to be held on the 6th February this year virtually. If this proposal is being approved, it is a no-brainer that Gtronic stock price will rise. By hook or by crook, in my personal opinion, I think Gtronic market maker would need to pump up Gtronic share price now, leading to the EGM date or after the approval gotten during this upcoming EGM. So to me, buying into a profitable, dividend-paying, zero-debt companies currently trading at its 100 days moving average prices seems like a good deal to me. And on 11 January this year, I saw Gtronic directors has also been exercising its ESOS at Ringgit Malaysia 1.03 and RM 1.33 per share. So if we could grab Gtronic share at price level of between RM 1.41 to RM 1.5 versus potential upsurge of RM2, the risk to reward ratio is good to me. Technically, at current level, if you could look at the chart, it was also quite oversold when Gtronic hit RM 1.41, where we could see the RSI is trading under 30, and the next day, which was last Friday, it staged a rebound from RM 1.41 to close at RM 1.50. From the current price level, the probability of a rebound is higher to at least around RM 1.6 to 1.63. And if APB Resources approve the proposal to buy into Gtronic at RM $2 per share on 6 February, the likelihood of Gtronic share price to surge to at least RM2 is on the card. But if the proposal is rejected by APB shareholders, then it is likely Gtronic share price may take a dive to strong support level of around RM 1.4 to 1.33. And lastly, when I take a look at Gtronic top shareholder list, it is quite comforting to know that EPF, Lembaga Tabung Haji, Pemodalan Nasional Berhad, and Amanah Saham are one of its top shareholders. This is the end of my sharing for part 2. If you are keen to watch my part 3 video, which I will share about Image Pro, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and remember to turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye!